SonicQR is a file transfer protocol utilizing visual and auditory cues only. This allows bidirectional communication between the sender and receiver. This protocol allows data exfiltration in the absence of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular network, and since it only requires a screen and microphone, it can be used on most modern devices. SonicQR consists of a static React web application called SonicQR Web and an Android application called SonicQR Mobile. SonicQR Web provides the conversion of files through a series of QR codes that will flash on the sender's web browser, while SonicQR Mobile records the QR codes to receive the file on the receiver's mobile device. This is the overview of SonicQR file transfer protocol. The activities handled by the SonicQR Web is outlined in blue, while SonicQR Mobile is outlined in purple. Firstly, SonicQR Web will generate a message digest on the byte array of the file before encoding it into the selected encoding type. We recommend base 45 as it is more efficient, as this encoding uses alphanumeric mode of QR code, reducing the total number of data frames by 20% as compared to base 64. The encoded string is then broken down into chunks, depending on the selected QR code version and ECC, before being rendered as a QR code data frame. To ensure that data frames are received by the receiver, the sender will wait for acknowledgement from the receiver via the transmission of sound before rendering the next data frame. This is what we call sonic audio acknowledgement. Let us demo how SonicQR works. This is SonicQR Web application. I shall select a file for data exfiltration. I will select QR code version 25 for this example. As you can see, there is a QR code on the web app. This is the header frame of SonicQR transfer protocol. SQTF header frame contains number of data frames, file name, file type, file size, encoding type, message digest, and transfer speed information. This information is essential for SonicQR Mobile to receive data frames and decode the file correctly. We are now ready to receive the data. I shall open SonicQR Mobile. The beep tone is from mobile phone, indicating header frame is received. With the header frame, we can start the transfer now. The flashing QR code are data frames, which are prepended with sequence number. With this sequence number, SonicQR Mobile is able to keep track of the received data and able to concatenate all the data frames sequentially. As you can hear, there are two types of beeping tones: low pitch and high pitch tone. The low pitch tone is for SonicQR Mobile to acknowledge the current data frame and for the SonicQR Web to render next data frame, where the high pitch tone is for SonicQR Mobile to inform of a missing data frame and for SonicQR Web to render previous data frame. In short, low pitch tone means forward and high pitch tone means backward. Oh, I forget to mention there is another tone to inform the user of the successful file transfer. Upon completion of file transfer, it will prompt the user to open the file. Yes, that is the secret file I am looking for.